Hello guys, so today it's another vlog, and today's vlog guys, I'm gonna show you how to remove some highlights or flare or shadow or any reflection from your product. Especially, for example, we have watch here. Yeah, this is the watch that we have. We have set up here settings for product photography. If you can see this area, there's a white, see? And like a reflection from your lights. First option, of course, you can adjust your light. Just adjust and reposition. Or we have another product, guys, to eliminate some shadows, highlights, and flare or reflection. So this product, guys, is the light cone. So in AB World, we have this light cone, guys. Yeah, we have three sizes. It's a Balido light cone. Yan. So I'm gonna put here the light cone. Yan. And you can see from monitor, it's very clean. And you don't have any reflection or light reflection from the softbox. It's totally clean and it's very easy to use. So again, guys, if you want to reduce or remove the reflection or shadow or reflection from the glass, you can use this light cone product. So again, guys, if you want to check the price and availability of the light cone, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. So ayan, we have three sizes, guys, available here, light cone. So ayan, check the pictures. This is the sample. You remove the light cone, yeah, it will show the glares, guys, from this side. See the shadow. But if you use the light cone, and it's perfect. So ayan, guys. Okay, so ayan, guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. Thank you kay Ajit behind the camera, and check our website www.abworld.com. Valido light cone.